Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit urban filter using Lightroom Mobile. Before we start, please subscribe for more free Lightroom presets. Here are examples photos before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Exposure to -0.20. Contrast to +50. Highlights to +15. Shadows to +46. Whites to -80. And blacks to +60. Now, go to the curve tune. Follow these steps. And done. Next go to the color panel. Adjust vibrance to +50. Saturation to -10. And then go to color mix. First go to red color. Hue to -14. Adjust saturation to -50. Luminance to +14. Next go to orange. Hue to -10. Saturation to -23. And luminance to +26. Go to yellow. Hue to -100. Saturation to -30. And luminance to +26. Next go to green. Saturation to -100. Go to light blue. Adjust saturation to -100. Next go to dark blue. Adjust the saturation to -100. Go to purple. Saturation to -100. Next go to pink. Adjust saturation to -100. And done. Next go to effects. Clarity to +60. Details to +20. Vignette to -10. Next go to split toning. Highlights H to 220, and S to 10. Shadows H to 219 and S to 5. And done. Next go to Details. Sharpening to 20. Adjust noise reduction to 35. And finish. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Follow us on Instagram. And see you in next video.